I'm here, Joe the Cart Guy, and Miss Wanda is going to give me a personal tour of the gas trailer. So excited. Hey, Miss Wanda.
Hi there, how are you?
Good. You gonna show me a gas trailer today?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
I appreciate it.
Oh, and I'm getting my exercise too.
I know that's right.
Awesome. So this is
What size is this trailer?
this is a 7x14.
Okay.
This is also our larger package. This is the big boy.
Okay.
Remember, we all of our trailers are customized, so there's some items in here that are not going to be in your big boy.
Gotcha.
But we got you. Okay. Same customary storage space over the sinks.
Beautiful.
All right, 3 sinks. Wash, rinse, sanitize. We've got the hand washing sink with the splash guard. This is the fire suppression system. These are the extra lines for the gas.
Beautiful.
This is a beautiful, beautiful 6-burner stove with an oven. It is absolutely gorgeous. I would love to stand here and cook something right now. This is the ventilated hood.
Okay.
This is a part of the fire suppression system. There's a nozzle over all of the cooking spaces.
Okay.
All of the cooking areas. So what that means is, in the event of an unfortunate fire or a flash up, with the fire suppression, you only lose what you're cooking.
Gotcha.
You don't lose the trailer.
Gotcha.
Okay? So this has the 40-ounce standing fryer. Amazing.
Love it.
We've got the 24-inch griddle.
Okay.
And this person has 2 refrigerators. The under-counter fridge is here, and then this is the sandwich prep fridge here.
Okay.
So put your for your sandwiches,
Oh,
your mayo, your lettuce, your pickle,
Like Subway.
whatever. Absolutely, your own version of Subway.
Chipotle me.
Yep. This is not the regular microwave. This is an industrial commercial microwave on its own shelf.
Love it.
Okay. This door right now, it'll go down, but if it had a generator mount, you would not use that door.
Okay.
Then you got your serving table. You got your screen window. This trailer actually has all of the regulations package.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So the regulations package is a package that's not included in our packages because everybody doesn't need it.
Everybody's different.
Everybody's
Gotcha.
different. Everybody might need something. Might need one of the items in the regulations package, but they may not need all 4 of them.
Gotcha. But it's always safe to get all of them if they're traveling or working long
Yes,
term because laws can change.
Right, especially going to some events.
Okay.
Some events won't let you in if you don't have certain equipment
Gotcha.
on your trailer. So having the regulations package leaves you open to all of the money, so to speak.
Gotcha. Okay. And then let's see here. I love the fridges and I love that oven. Good Lord, it is beautiful.
And look at the floor. I love the floor. The floor is a tread plate flooring.
It's chrome tread plate flooring. And the reason why they have to have the tread plate flooring is because
of the weight.
The
and
weight and the heat of the gas equipment, right?
Absolutely.
Beautiful and stuff.
It's so much easier. I mean, it's just as easy to clean this as it is vinyl, but I just like the shiny, the shiny money look to me.
Gotcha. Oh, 100%. And then
so
on the top,
we've got the air conditioning.
I love it.
And the Bluetooth, so that with or without customers, you can listen to music on your phone.
Beautiful.
You serenade, you use music to serenade your customers while they're waiting for you to whip up their fries.
I know that's right. Well, I truly appreciate you really showing this to us. And if somebody wanted to customize a big boy, then they can absolutely do it, right?
Absolutely.
And they can just come see
A la
you.
carte, come on in. We'll start with the basic package. You'll see this little handy dandy book that I keep with me.
Gotcha.
And we'll customize and specialize from that point on.
Awesome. Well, I really appreciate your time, and I can't wait for the next tour. Thank you so much.
All right, you're more than welcome. Come on down and see us.
We'll
White trailer right there. You need to look up the fire suppression. That's going